for our delight and give it a little shake. And you're gonna do it's the same thing. So it doesn't matter however you want to like dab it on the nails. There's no other right way or wrong way at all. It's just how you like it. I do like this. You know what? I like that this one, and also the neon looks good too. Oh, neon is gonna looks good, huh? But it doesn't matter. I was gonna get this one, and of course we're gonna do another chamfer foil. We did this one earlier. Now we're doing this one, and then I have that on a different one on it. So only we need is the crystal clear. And we're gonna see that it's getting dry right here. It's getting dry. And only you need is a crystal clear. You don't need to use another additional brush at all. And what I do, I pick, like, pretty much wipe up your bristles off. You don't want to saturate with the crystal clear. And dab it in. Do the same thing. So if your veins, you want your veins, and you're gonna do it, dab it from the outside toward to the center. This will give a really a beautiful and a simple background. So it doesn't matter whatever you do later for your designs. You can do stickers on, you can do chamfer foil, you can do even the gel painting, however you would like. And remove all of the excess fusioning on your bristles of a crystal clear, so then therefore it would not pick it up and travel back into the bottle. So it keep the crystal clear stay nice. And clean. That's it. I want just a little bit hint because I'm going to do a beautiful chamfer foils on. All right. Clean the brush. It looks really cool on my end though. It's feel like right here. Hold on, where I'm at. It looks weird under the camera though. But anyway, I put a coat on it. You can see it better. And I am going to using premium Idaho chamfer foil, and we are going to apply it all inside the nails and cure for 30 seconds. Make sure the cuticles area. Okay. 30 seconds. I should be putting the queen bees on it. Should I? It's a crab and a queen bee. Can you get me one?
You never see it else.
Kim Lin say hello, Mika. You like it, Nene? Thank you. I'm loving it. It's so fun. This one. All right. I'm gonna grab some Gucci bee. Fun. Ah, so excited. This season. Or should we do her like that? Should we? And then designs on the top. Ah, thank you so much, Nene. Like a tongue. I mean, like Mika, she gave the tongues on flowers.
Maybe half a big one.
Huh?
How about half a big one, more small one?
Right?
There you go.
Right here? But then I want to put the bees on it. It's going to cover it. You think? Maybe should I do a baby, huh? Yes. I should do? Alright, baby one. Okay, this one's going to be really half of the little ones. Oh, no, full little ones and a half of the big one. Right there. Right there, right there. Ah, okay. Landing. Ah, yeah. Thank you, Mika. She got my back. That's awesome. Okay, so give it a good press on. This is so perfect, that the Fusioning Delights, and this is transfer foil. You will never go wrong with it. It's so cute and beautiful. Keep it pressed on. If you feel like you're not releasing it because you didn't press it firmly, then you can lay it back up and then press it again. It's gonna come off. All the image is gonna stay on the nails and the film is gonna come off. Oops, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna just rip it up, but it's already done. You know what? It looks good by itself though. You think? All right, sorry, so no bees then. Just kidding. So this is beautiful. This too is so stunning. Okay, let me put it in a box so I can show you. Oh. All right. Well, somehow it's getting blurry. So now this one is dead. All right, so I'm gonna do some crystal placement. I mean charm placements. It's more like charm placement, and start with the condensed glue gels, and that's the first step. And then we are going to doing the next step, which is no white top coat. And of course later we are going to do is precision glue gels. So this will be a double secure. Beside is condensed glue gel, so no white top coat will grab all the crystals. Base is really tight and stuck on the nails, and also the precision glue gels will help, you know, double secure and go to all that is edges and gap that you might get, you know, feeling it catching on your hair or your clothes. So it's really thick density, so you only need just a little, and applies all inside the nails. You can see that how it's like moving it and spread it out. Don't need to do a lot. Little go a long way. However, if you're doing is 3D pointed back crystals, you want to get a little bit more amount of it. If you're curious about that, how I place a lot of 3D pointed back crystal, feel free to check out a lot of others videos that we save it there for you on IGTV and on the Facebook page. Floating the no white top coat on the top. Then we're gonna do this one. Don't have to do it really straight. Oh, I do like it though, with condensed glue gels, and it's holding down really nicely. Cool. I'm having fun with this. Okay, so let's do some crystal smaller size randomly. I like the green. And you can add it on. Should I do pink? I can do pink. Pink right there. And the blue. I'm looking for the orange. This is glow in the dark is stunning because it's gonna glow in the dark. Couple more. This one is pink. Pink. So. There you go. All right, happy with this? We're going to Kiev for 60 seconds. It's how cool and stunning, huh? It's so fun, simple, and easy.